How to sort YouTube search results by views. That's what we are going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. So first thing to do is let's go to YouTube. Now let's search for like Mo Salah. Now these are the normal search results. If you want to sort by views, go to the three dots there for the menu, click on filters, and then click on sort by and choose view count. Now click apply. Now as you can see, videos are sorted descendingly according to the views count. If you want to return it back, we're gonna go and sort by and relevance. Now click on apply and it's gonna be returned back to the normal search sorting. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.